Our common understanding of what original media is also called authentic media. Original, authentic. However, I do have some conflicts with these two words now in light of all of the ChatGPT, generative AI services that are cropping up for us to explore. Now, by definition, original media refers to the digital media produced by authors, humans, and perhaps teams of digital production staff members to create an output. And that itself is easy to say that we as NTU own it. And it is authentic. However, there is a term used quite recently. It's called synthetic media. And the difference between synthetic media and original media is in the process of production. Original media is by human beings. Synthetic media is by machines. So now imagine you using the script and other tools using a service provider that you do not own. You're paying that service provider, or it could be for free, the TOS, depending on what it says. But the machines to create your output is not owned by NTU. Deepfake. This is changing someone's face with voice and so on. Do go into YouTube and check out Tom Cruise deepfake. It is so funny. Now imagine the recent coronation of the king. I take the voice, take the image, now he could actually deliver my lecture. Now if we use synthetic media, is that now authentic? And where is our copyrights and IP management downstream? I am at times quite scared and excited, but the fact is that we're all in it together. We're in that discontinuous change where we need to come together closer, have more dialogues, and create the right solution at this point in time, but there will be different versions of it over time. Because this AI is not going away. It is definitely not going away. So that's why I'm confused about now original media, which we have done, authentic media, which I thought it was original, and synthetic media using these tools. It certainly is not original, but is it authentic? And if it's authentic, who owns the rights to it?